The High Court has defied the plea-taking of 8 Utumishi Girls Academy students accused of the murder of 16 schoolmates, one of the country's deadliest school fire tragedies, until the court is furnished with a mandatory psychiatric examination and age assessment reports. The court also directed that students be provided with legal representation. The suspects who are being held at the Kabete Juvenile Remand Home are expected back in court on the 1st of July. And NTV's Ashley Atieno has more details.
It was a day expected to mark the formal start of proceedings in the case involving 8 Utumishi Girls Academy students accused of the murder of 16 learners, but the High Court instead halted plea-taking. Appearing virtually before the Kibera law courts, the accused were informed that they could not take plea yet. Justice Diana Kavedza told the suspects that, and I quote, "Due to the severity of the offences approved against you by the Director of Public Prosecutions, you cannot be called upon to plead before your mental status is established, plus your ages," end of quote. The court further directed that the accused be provided with legal representation, noting the seriousness of the charges which carry either life imprisonment or the death sentence upon conviction. Police were further ordered to escort the accused for psychiatric and age assessments over the weekend, and both reports filed in court through the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions. The court heard that this was the first appearance of the accused before the High Court since the Director of Public Prosecutions approved 16 counts of murder arising from the May 28th dormitory fire that left 16 students dead. Justice Kavedza also directed that the prosecution supply the accused with all witness statements and documentary evidence to allow them to prepare their defense. The accused will remain in custody at the Kabete Juvenile Remand Home following the transfer of the case from Naivasha to Nairobi over security concerns. Whether the case will formally begin or plea-taking proceed will be determined when the matter comes up for mention on Wednesday, July 1st, 2026. Ashley Atieno, NTV.